Nature, the creator, the giver, the unconditional lover. I never agree with the statement that man can conquer the nature. How a creation can conquer that? What is the source of its very existence? The source of its power? Nature was, is, and always will be something more than what man is capable of. Man knows it but ignores it as foolishly as he can. And nature, like a mother, smiles at his foolishness. Nature does not have to prove its power. If it decides, it would take one turn, and everything the man has built and is proud of can be crumbled down. But nature does not do that. Like a mother, it always forgives. It loves unconditionally and gives another chance to be better each day.